Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly home improvements, because who doesn't love transforming their space without spending a fortune? From creative DIYs to smart shopping tips, I've got 5 easy and affordable ways to upgrade your home today. Let's jump in. First up, let's work with what you already have. Rearranging furniture can completely change the feel of your space, for free. See how much cozier this looks? Try creating conversation areas or bringing furniture closer to the center of the room for a more inviting vibe. Next, let's add personality. Grab some inexpensive pillowcases or frames and get creative. These little details bring so much life to your home, and they cost next to nothing. Tip 3. Upgrade your lighting. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Swap out harsh white lights for warm LEDs or add fairy lights for a cozy, budget-friendly glow. Instant mood boost. Tip 4. Bring in some greenery. Plants are the ultimate budget decor. Pick up some low-maintenance options like succulents, host, or pothos, or even propagate cuttings from friends. Not only do they look great, but they also improve air quality and make your home feel fresh. Tip 5. Shop secondhand or repurpose thrift stores and online marketplaces are gold mines for unique, affordable finds. Look for furniture or decor that you can refresh with a little paint or elbow grease. With a little creativity, you can make secondhand items look brand new. The transformed living room, now bright, stylish, and welcoming. And there you have it. 5 simple, budget-friendly ways to improve your home. Let me know in the comments which tip you're trying first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more affordable lifestyle tips. Until next time, happy decorating.